Hello, I'm Alexis Parinas. I'm an artist and youth facilitator here with the Rise Collective, and today I'll be showing you how to make zines. So zines are these little booklet type things comprising of text and or images, and I'll be showing you how to create this specific small 3-spread zine format made from one sheet of A4 paper. As such, it's quick and simple and provides a nice focus base through which you can express yourself through several different mediums. Fill it with drawings, illustrations, doodles, which is a nice way to occupy time. Add text, poetry, thoughts, musings, make a comic, short story, write a manifesto, make a collage, or a splurge of all the above. There aren't really any rules to this. It's up to you, it's yours, it's personal, it's playful, and at the end you'll have something to hand to show for that. And this is how you make it. So all you're going to need is one sheet of A4 paper, a pair of scissors, maybe a glue stick, and whatever you want, so pens, pencils, collage materials. So what you're going to want to do is take your A4 paper and fold it in half. Fold it in half the other way, then fold it inwards, and then your paper should be divided into 8. And then fold your paper across again, and then take your scissors and cut halfway across the center crease. So there should be a hole in the middle like this, and then from above, your paper should look like this. Push together the two ends, and then your zine should come together like this. You're going to want to maybe tidy up the folding a bit, and that's really all there is to it. If you want to glue together your zine, make sure to get all of the edges and all of the creases as such. And then as before, you're going to want to make sure to carefully push together your zine like this. And just like that, you've created an amazing zine. And that's really all there is to it. So here are a few examples of my own zines. As you can see, some are filled with illustrations, some with collage from printouts and original texts. Some have compiled playlists. And a lot of mine are just playful fun. Zine making has a very rich history, and there's numerous resources and examples you can find online that extend way beyond this. If you do make your own zines and would like to share your work, please share it with us. Use the hashtag #TheRiseCollectiveUK, or you can DM it to us at #TheRiseCollectiveUK. Have fun.